One of the things that we've implemented is a auto stick out button that you can preset on the robot teach pennant to get that perfect stick out every time. So where this helps minimize your operations or your programming in general is instead of going back and measuring every time, reaching around to the welder or the wire feeder to inch the wire out, you can simply press a button here on our offset adapter and it'll go to a pre-designated length, typically between 15 and 18 millimeters, but it's all up to the user in what you would like that to be at. So on a Fronius, you actually have the convenience of the buttons up here. On other power supplies, you might have to inch your wire out from either the front of the power supply or on a wire feeder. But the traditional way of doing it is taking some sort of a gauge and measuring 15 to 18 millimeters and then going and programming your part. Now, with what we've done is I have it currently set to 18 millimeters. So I'll go ahead and snip the wire, and all I have to do is, since that's already set on my teach pennant, press and hold the green button here, and now I've got perfect 18 mil stick out right here. And I can do that every time. Cut the wire, programming multiple parts, just saves me a couple seconds here and there just to make things a little bit easier when it comes to programming the system.